In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Vinted. If you've been wanting to update your username but are unsure of how to do it, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's straightforward and easy to understand. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Vinted website. Vinted is your go-to platform for buying and selling clothes, shoes, and accessories. And it's important to make sure your profile on there reflects exactly who you are or want to be known as. If you aren't logged in already, make sure to do so with your usual credentials. Once you're on the Vinted homepage and logged in, head over to your profile. You can do this by finding and clicking on the Profile section, usually represented by an icon or text at the top of the page. When you click on your profile, you'll see several options related to your account settings. Next, you want to click on Edit Profile. This is the area where you can make various changes to your personal information. And today, we're focusing on your username. When you choose Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new page that lists various editable sections of your account. On this page, look for the section labeled Username. You'll notice that your current username is displayed here. To make a change, you'll need to click on the username itself. This should take you to a new window or drop-down menu where you can alter your username. Now, select Change Username. A field will appear where you can input your desired new username. As you do this, be mindful of Vinted's guidelines. Often, platforms like these will have criteria about what names can be used, such as prohibiting special characters or suggesting a limit on the number of characters. Ensure your new username adheres to these rules to prevent any issues during the process. After you've entered your new username, give it another quick check to make sure there are no typos or mistakes. Once you're satisfied, look for a confirmation button or a prompt like Save or Update to finalize this change. Congratulations! Your Vinted username has now been successfully updated. It should immediately reflect on your profile, and you'll be represented online by your new identity. Remember, if at any time you hit a snag or a technical error, it might be helpful to refresh the page or try the process in another browser. Don't hesitate to reach out to Vinted's support team if something isn't working as expected. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.